In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell physical and digital products with Squarespace. Whether you're an artist, a small business owner, or someone looking to take their online store to the next level, Squarespace is an excellent platform to showcase and sell your products. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add and manage both physical and digital items on your website, step by step. And if you're new to Squarespace, you'll find a link in the description below to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is go to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you're already registered, simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Alternatively, for a quicker way in, you can use the Continue with Google option to log in with your Google account credentials. It's a great time saver if you've already connected your accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, access your website by clicking on the site you want to manage. This will take you to your website's management panel, where all the configurations and tools you need are organized. Next, head over to the Products and Services section. This is where you'll manage everything related to what you're selling on your website. Now look for and select the Products tab. This tab is where you can view, edit, and organize your existing inventory or add new items to your store. To add a new product, click on the Add Product button. This will open up a menu where you'll need to choose the type of product you want to create. For this tutorial, let's start with a physical product. Select Physical Product as the product type. Keep in mind, if you're adding a digital product like an ebook, a downloadable file, or anything that doesn't require shipping, the process is nearly identical, so you can follow along as well. Once you've selected the product type, it's time to start filling out the details. First, enter a clear and precise product name. This is the first thing your customers will notice, so make sure it's straightforward and easy to understand. A good product name can grab attention and help your audience quickly identify what you're offering. Next, write a detailed product description. This is your opportunity to explain what the product is, what it does, and why someone might want or need it. Think about what your customers would want to know. What makes the product unique, how it solves a problem, or how it adds value to their lives. A thorough description can make all the difference in helping your customers make an informed decision. After your description is complete, upload high-quality images of the product. These images should show the product from different angles, and they should be well-lit, clear, and professional-looking. Remember, your customers can't touch or see the product in person, so good visuals are critical in helping them feel confident about their purchase. Now it's time to set your product's price. Choose a price that reflects the value of the product and is competitive within your market. Pricing is a key part of your sales strategy, so take a moment to make sure it aligns with your overall business goals. Once you've entered all the details, look for the Save drop-down menu at the top or bottom of your screen. Click on it, and from the options, select Publish. This step makes your product live on your website, so customers can see it and purchase it right away. If you're not ready to publish yet, you can always save it as a draft and come back to it later. If you also plan to sell digital products, you can repeat this process. The workflow is designed to be just as simple and efficient for digital items as it is for physical ones. Just make sure that, for digital products, you upload the correct downloadable file and double-check any specific settings related to delivery. And that's it. You now have all the tools you need to add and sell both physical and digital products on Squarespace. With these steps, you can create a professional and seamless shopping experience for your customers. So now you know exactly how to set up and manage your products on Squarespace. If you have any questions or tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.